Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Curvest.com reviews, and in this video I'll also help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site. It is an online shopping store, guys, that deals with clothing products including leather bags, cotton and linen items, dresses, wallets, accessories, and spring trends collection as well. So this was the offering information. Apart from that, the citizens of United Kingdom are curious to know about this legitimacy or this website, guys. So coming to the payment information, let's talk about the payment info first. So we need to check out the payment information section. So guys, they have not provided the exact payment information section, but when you will check out a particular product category section, you will find the product payment information, guys. The modes of payment that are available on the site are PayPal and other modes as well. So let me show you the particular product. So here you can see the mode of payment which is available is PayPal, guys. Apart from that, you can use the Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, etc. Now coming to the shipping policy, you need to visit the shipping section which is given in the bottom menu option button. Apart from that, they have mentioned that the international standard shipping duration will be approx 2 to 6 weeks, and processing time usually takes about 3 to 7 days, guys, but it may take up to 2 weeks due to high volume of orders. So this was the shipping information. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. Guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. And coming to the domain information of the site, this domain name was created on 25th of January 2021. Guys, this site is more than 2 months old. Apart from that, this is registered only for 1 year, guys. So we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age factor. Apart from that, talking about the company's information, let's check out the About Us page. They have provided the About Us information, but here is a contradiction, guys. They have provided suspicious contact details and no information is available regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is a red eye alert. Now coming to the contact details of the site, you need to visit the contact us page. Here you can see they have only mentioned the email address, which is a negative sign, guys. They have not provided the complete contact details including company's address and contact number as well. Apart from that, guys, this website is offering massive or heavy discounts on the products, and you should know that most of the scam and problematic sites mention such type of heavy discounts on the website, so be particular about this factor. And coming to the social media presence of the site, so you can see the site has social media presence on Facebook. It comes with 219 followers only, guys, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, no engagement is here, or you can say on the Facebook portal. So we can't trust on this website on the basis of its social media existence as well. Now talking about the return policy of the site, let's check out the return policy page. So they have mentioned 30-day no hassle free refund policy. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. Now talking about the trust index score of the site, guys, the trust index score of the site is 2%, which is really very bad, and it means that the site seems to be not much popular online and has an unknown trustworthiness score. Now coming to the Curvest.com reviews, we have found few positive comments on the official website, guys, but no reviews are available about the site on the internet, which is a negative sign. You can find some reviews on the official website only. So let me show you the customer reviews. So here are some positive reviews, guys. One of the customers said, "Thank you, everything went well. Amazing dress. Very happy, very fast delivery." But guys, we can't trust on these customer reviews as we are not able to find the verified IDs of these customers. So these are the loopholes of this website. So we can't claim this site legit on the basis of these vectors. Apart from that, this website has used copied images or duplicate images on the site, which is again a negative thing. And in the final conclusion, we would say this website is one of the suspicious websites, guys, and possibly a scam. So we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, as this is a newly launched store, or you can say newly launched website, that comes with entire or various loopholes or drawbacks. So guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.